Chapter 10, Haloalkane and haloarenes. Methods of preparation of haloalkanes. From alcohols, halogen acids like HX on alcohol gives haloalkanes. This is prepared by Groove's method. In Groove's method, halogen acids in presence of ZnCl2. ZnCl2 is a Lucas reagent. In presence of heat, when we give up heat, it converted into haloalkanes. ZnCl2 help in cleavage of RO. Alcohol facilitates the cleavage of RO. CH3 CH2OH plus HBr in presence of ZnCl2 is a Lucas reagent. When we give up heat, we obtain ethyl bromide and water. Tertiary halide, tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol and primary alcohol. Order of reactivity become tertiary halide more reactive than primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, when we take secondary alcohol, react with HCl, halogen acid, ZnCl2. No heat is necessary in secondary alcohol. It readily gives haloalkanes. Secondary halides are prepared by this method. Tertiary alcohol react with halogen acid, readily it gives tertiary alkanes. HI is more reactive than HBr due to presence of large size of iodine. It readily react with any of the alcohols to give up haloalkanes. Tertiary halides are easily prepared in absence of ZnCl2. Tertiary alcohol are more reactive than secondary and primary alcohols. In this way, we study about from alcohols. These halides can be prepared by this method. Reaction with PCl5. When alcohol react with PCl5, it gives CH3CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. When reaction with PCl3, alcohol react with PNCl3, it gives haloalkanes. Ethyl fluoride, H3PO3. Reaction with SOCl2, SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. When alcohol react with thionyl chloride, it gives us ethyl halide, and sulfur dioxide gas and HCl gas will be evolved. This method is best method because gaseous product will be formed, evaporate easily, and best method to produce halide. This trend is also gives tertiary is more, secondary and primary is less reactive for all the reactions. Second method from hydrocarbons. From alkanes like ethane, methane, propane, butane. When methane reacts with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiations, it gives CH3Cl. When again it reacts with chlorine, it gives CH2Cl2. When again react with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiations, it gives chloroform, and again react with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiation, it gives carbon tetrachloride. Here trends of reactivity in halogen become iodine is more reactive, bromine than chlorine. Iodine is more reactive because due to size of iodine is more. So bond dissociation energy is very less in iodine. From alkenes, in last year 11th class we study about the Markovnikov rules and anti-Markovnikov rules. These are the addition reactions. From alkenes, CH2CH2 plus HX react with each other and they gives halide, alkyl halide. CH2 double bond CH2 plus HBr, it gives alkyl halide. Unsymmetrical alkenes like CH3CH double bond CH2 react with HBr. These gives addition reactions. It attack on when hydrogen is less. This is the Markovnikov rules. When unsymmetrical alkenes react with HBr to give CH3CHBr CH3. Lesser bromine attack where there lesser number of hydrogen is present. So bromine attack in a lesser number of hydrogen. These are the nucleophilic addition reactions and Markovnikov's rules is applied in these reactions. Negative part of bromide is attack on lesser number of hydrogen atom. Just opposite anti-Markovnikov rules in presence of peroxide when unsymmetrical alkenes react with halogen acid HBr in presence of peroxide, greater number of hydrogen atom gives CH3CH2CH2Br anti-Markovnikov rules given by peroxide effect. This is also known as peroxide effect. Free radical mechanism takes place here. Bromide is attacked on this side. Their greater number of hydrogen atom is more. So this is the anti-Markovnikov rules.